You could be forgiven for thinking she's the most successful WTA player of the 2000s on court. Maria has managed 5 single Grand Slam titles in her career, and in 2015, she almost had the perfect year. She captured the Brisbane title in a tightly contested 3-setter, beating Serbia's Ana Ivanovic 6-7, 6-3, 6-3. Tennis players spend their off-season chiseling the skills for the next, and as often than not, how you start the new season sets precedents for the rest of it. So when Sharapova conquered Brisbane, she knew she was in for a good season. We're going to now give you a cynic view of how it panned out.
I can't even explain what I feel like when I'm on the court. You feel like you're so in the moment, and you forget that you're playing in front of thousands of people. You have your opponent, you gotta get your job done and always stay focused. I usually train about 3 to 4 hours a day on the court. I go to the gym for an hour and a half. I try to replicate the things that I do on court in my training, doing sprints or footwork drills. I'm not a type of girl that's going to build really heavy muscles by doing heavy weights. I remember coming back after 3 months of not hitting a tennis ball, and when I got on the court I realized there's nothing that substitutes playing tennis. I try to look back and I think of what I've achieved and what I did in order to get there. It's so worth it to have that moment of victory.
She came close, didn't she? For whatever it's worth, Maria made $29.7 million with this breakdown, $23 million in endorsements, and $6.7 in prize money in that year alone. And she went on to retire in 2020 with a career total prize money of $325 million and endorsements, and she had plenty.